Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm making mimosa cake. Mimosas are some beautiful yellow fluffy flowers that are typical during Women's Day in Italy. And basically this cake is gonna resemble these flowers. It is a little bit of work, but I think it's so worth it. Without any further ado, let's get started. Let's start preparing the sponge cake. Beat the eggs, some sugar, a pinch of salt until you get a nice fluffy mixture. Now sift in the flour and incorporate it gently a little bit at a time. At this point, butter 2 8-inch pans and spread a little bit of flour into it. Now pour in the batter evenly in the two pans. I use 2 toothpicks to have an idea on the different amount of butter on each pan. I tried to get them as similar as possible. Now bake this sponge cake in a preheated oven at 350 Fahrenheit for about 35-40 minutes. To make the diplomatic cream, warm up some milk until it almost starts to boil, and in a separate bowl, whisk 4 egg yolks with sugar, then add vanilla, lemon zest, and some cornstarch. Mix until nicely combined. Then slowly pour in the hot milk and stir constantly with a whisk so that no clumps are formed. Now put it back on the stove and keep stirring until it thickens. Once it's ready and it's not super hot anymore, then you can put some saran wrap on top to avoid that it gets a crusty top. Whip up some heavy cream and add it gently to the mixture when it's completely cold. Now I'm gonna make a quick light syrup that it's gonna give some moisture to the sponge cake. Usually it's made with a little bit of rum, but if you don't want to make it alcoholic, what I do is I usually mix a little bit of sugar, water, and vanilla extract. Like a teaspoon or a teaspoon and a half would be perfect. Or you could also substitute it with like a little bit of orange juice diluted with a little bit of water, or just orange juice. I mean, it's up to you. You only need to boil some water and a spoonful of sugar until it dissolves. Lastly, if you like, a little bit of rum. Now let's assemble the cake. Obtain 4 discs from the sponge cakes, just like this, and cut out all the browned external parts. We'll use 3 discs as layers and 1 we'll keep aside for external decor. Now on a serving plate, start with the first disc. Pour in a little bit of the cold syrup and finally complete with a layer of cream. Repeat the same for all the layers. Also cover the surface of the cake with the cream. The beauty is that it doesn't have to be perfect because it will be covered by the decoration pieces. With the last sponge cake disc, cut it in small cubes. Sprinkle the whole cake with these little cubes that are going to resemble the fluffy yellow mimosa flowers. Now let the cake rest in the fridge for about an hour so that the cream becomes firm. After it's been cooled down, you can serve it up. So pretty, and the taste is so delicate and delicious. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this mimosa cake. And if you had the time, try it out because it's really, really delicious. Also, if you like this recipe, leave it a thumbs up and feel free to comment down below. Let me know what you think. I love to read all your comments. And if you haven't yet, consider subscribing to my channel. See you next time. Bye.